Some great Amazon deal as we see right here. Not gonna waste your time, all the links will be down below if you wish to support me. We got the Asus TUF Gaming F16 laptop with 34% off, amazing, $400 off, so go and grab yours. These are limited as well for the Amazon Prime Day. Next up we got the Logitech G29 driving force racing wheel for 40% off, as we see here, $120 off. Really great deal. Next up we also have Apple products. We got the AirPod Max 2 wireless as well for 27% off, so about $150 off. And we do have an Apple iPad mini as well, the A17 Pro chip, as we see here, 20% off at only less than $400. And an orange iPhone 17 Pro, as we see here, 15% off. Next up, we have a Google Pixel 10 Pro as well, 27% off, so $300. I remind you, all the links will be down below to buy them directly from Amazon. Next up, we do have the iPad mini. Again, depending on the cellular or the Wi-Fi, as we see here, there are different, pricing for both. So the choice is yours, but there's two types of them. Next up, we also have the Samsung 990 Pro SSD 2 terabyte, 42% off. 42% off, guys. This is actually amazing. Basically $300 off for your gaming PC. We also have the 9100 Pro 2 terabyte at 49% off, so great deals if you're building a PC. We then have the iRobot Roomba for 15X at 50% off, the 505X at 52% off. We then go into the laptops where we have the HP OmniBook 3 for 45% off, so about $300 as well right here. The Asus ROG Strix G16 for 19% off. $500 off for a beautiful gaming PC. This works absolutely great with all the games. We have the Toshiba 15-inch class C350 series for 57% off, so less than $150 for a beautiful 4K resolution TV. The Asus ROG Strix 26.5 inches 1440p, as we see here, for 30% off, so less than $335. We have the Samsung 16-inch Galaxy Books 5 Pro for 40% off, so we're looking at $800 of a discount right here, which is absolutely mental. The Sony 65-inch OLED 4K, 40% off, as we see right here, $800 off. We have the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X 8-core at 50% off, which is great. And the Samsung 34-inch as well for 37% off. We then follow up with a beautiful Sony camera, as we see right here, 19% off, $500 off on this beautiful full-frame cinema camera body only, which is absolutely gorgeous. And if you do want to go and grab it with the kit right here, we then have a 24% discount, so I will leave you the link for the body only down below. Next up, we have the Canon EOS R5 mirrorless camera, as we see here, 21% off, which is absolutely mental, $1,000 off. And the Dyson V15, as we see right here, for 30% off. So go and grab yours super quick. A lot of deals. I'll try to take you all on a daily video. And yes, see you tomorrow.